the current EMT activities and restart CEP EMT engagement activities for the year 2021-22. I welcome each and everyone to witness this ceremony. All the three teams were working towards a big goal, and I'm sure that they have done justice to it. Now the wait is over, and the most awaited overall championship title will be announced in a short while. Keep your fingers crossed. I would like to remind you all to mute your mic and cooperate with us throughout the event. Also, I would like to request you all to change your screen into landscape mode and use the earphone for a better experience. You can make use of the chat box and different reaction emojis available on the taskbar to congratulate and encourage others. Now I welcome my co-host Vishnu Madhav to take you all through the agenda and begin the show. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this graceful event. The first step towards getting somewhere is to decide you are not going to stay where you are and to celebrate the endings so as they precede the new beginnings. So we are here today for the reset of EMT activities for the academic year 2020-21 and restart the same for the academic year 2021-22. The event starts its flow with an invocation song by CEP student Ms. G. Netra, followed by the welcome address by program coordinator Mr. S. Jahan Mohan, followed by a brief on where the things stand by the current EMT head, Ms. Shweta. It will be then followed by the EMT 2021 Progress Virtual Tour by non-technical coordinator, Mr. Kishore KS, followed by the most awaiting part of the award ceremony for year 2020-21 by technical coordinator, Mr. Prajwal KP. So from this point, we will push the restart button for the introduction of new EMT for the academic year 2021-22 by Ms. K. Shweta, followed by the kickoff address by Program Manager Mr. S.J. Vignesh, followed by the team introduction by Kishore KS for the new academic year, followed by the future EMT plan by Mr. Raja LV, and then it will be concluded with the vote of thanks by Mr. Vishnu Madhav. So here the program flow begins, and now I invite Ms. G. Netra to begin the ceremony with an invocation song.
Jaya Jaya Bhagavate Guravaarti Tava Charanam Pranamah. Jaya Jaya Bhagavate Guravaarti Tava Charanam Pranamah. Nada Brahmamayi Jayavadeshwari Nada Brahmamayi Jayavadeshwari Sharanam Te Gacchama. Jaya Jaya Bhagavate Guravaarti Tava Charanam Pranamah. Jaya Jaya Bhagavate Guravaarti Tava Charanam Pranamah.
Thank you, Netra, for making the ceremony divine with a beautiful prayer song. Our desire is to extend a gracious and inclusive welcome to all of you. I welcome Program Coordinator Mr. S. Jahan for welcome address.
Good morning, everyone. Mr. S.J. Vignesh sir, Dr. Hariharan sir, and electrical section in charge Saravana Kumar sir, and all the students, CEP students of MCET and TCE. I welcome you all for this grand event, reset and restart ceremony. So it's my privilege and pleasure to welcome you all for this event on behalf of EMT. So I'm very delighted to be part of this event, which is being run by the whole MCT CEP students. So this talks about the curiosity and the energetic and dynamic behavior that students have shown in this activity. So once again, I welcome the program manager, Mr. S.J. Vignesh, who has been a constant encouragement for the students and and encouraging and new ideas of the students and making that to happen. I welcome the section in charges Dr. Hariharan sir and Saravana Kumar sir for their constant support in making this event run through the year. And I welcome the EMT leader of the current year, Ms. Shweta. So when she got the charge of this, she's doing well with all her plans. She is proposing then and there and getting my concurrence. So as a whole, this is a teamwork of CEP students, and we are backing you. I welcome all the students who has been part of this EMT. So I appreciate all your spirit and dynamic and motivation you have within yourself. I welcome you all for this grand event. Thank you.
Thank you, S. Jahan Mohan sir. So now the current EMT team have done a great deal of things this year. And I invite the current EMT head, Ms. K. Shweta, to give a brief on where the things stand for the academic year 2020-21.
Good afternoon, all. I am delighted to announce the closure of EMT activities of this academic year. Firstly, I would like to take you through this journey. Stage 1 was planning. All the EMT members had brainstorming sessions. We discussed the schedule and committed to come up with more quality events. In stage 2, 3 teams were formed. Students from each year and department were equally present in all the 3 teams. EMT clearly explained the roles and responsibilities to all mentors, captains and vice captains, and also EMT plan. Stage 3 event execution. All the events executed and conducted in a smooth manner by EMT members, starting from collecting name list of participants on time, creating poster for effective communication, criteria preparation for result announcements, on-time report generation, and maintaining documentation for future references. In stage 4, most of the events were planned in such a way that results will be out at the end of the event. In some cases, the evaluation is done by our program coordinator or committee of EMT member. Almost all results are announced, but only special category yet to announce. That's why we all are here. Stage 5 award ceremony is planned to encourage the winners and participants. With this, we completed 75% of EMT Progress 2021. This slide shows EMT's current state at the end of Snake and Ladder game event. It's a graph to show how many events per session planned, which is indicated by blue bar, to the how many events which we could able to execute, that is indicated by green bar. Initially, we planned 8 technical events, 8 non-technical events for corporate bar learning forum, 3 team events and sports at the end of academic year, and could able to conduct 6 technical events, 8 non-technical events, 2 learning forum or corporate event. We only planned 3 team events where each team will come up with a new event. But these 3 teams were so supportive that they came up with 3 more beautiful events. Hence we planned only 3, but we could able to execute 6 events with everyone's support. On our way through the journey, we were asked to conduct Bibliotheca as part of engagement activities, and we also included the same and completed it with the support of team. Due to pandemic situation, we were unable to conduct sports in offline, which we enjoyed a lot during last few years, but we never wanted to give up. To spread some entertainment, we planned online games for both boys and girls. Hope you all enjoyed. We also planned feedback sessions at the end of each month, and we could able to execute 4 feedback sessions with mentor, captain to improve the quality of event that we conduct. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Shweta, for showing us where things stand. Now I welcome the resource coordinator, Mr. Kishore, to videocast the virtual tour of EMT Progress.
Hi guys, let me take you all through the glimpses of event management team from 2020 to 2021 progress. At the outset, let's have a note of mentors, captains, vice captains and the team members of the 3 promising teams. We took an initiative to prepare invitation posters for each event. Now you are looking at some of those posters made. Here are some of the online events conducted by EMT. These include technical, non-technical, and corporate events. Let's have a look at some of the offline events conducted by EMT. Now, you are watching some of the stunning outputs from those events. Here is the list of online games conducted by EMT, and these games were chosen through audience vote. Let's have a glance at the team performance in various events and the individual performance shown by the team members. Event organizers were rated according to their organization skills and were appreciated for their good work. Here are some of the samples. Another gesture taken by EMT was sending personalized birthday wishes for CEPians through email and wishing them in WhatsApp groups. Festival greeting cards were also posted respectively.
Thank you, Kishore and Jinetra, for taking us through this virtual tour. So now we will get on to the most awaiting part of today's ceremony. So the event organizer, Mr. Prajwal KP, will join us and get on to the award ceremony for the year 2020-21.
A pleasant good afternoon to all. The wait is over. It's that time of every academic year when we all get together to enjoy and appreciate each other's hard work and its results. Myself Prajwal KP, and I am here to announce the most anticipated results of CP Engagement Activities 2021. First of all, let's know who the champions are. This team is venomous of all the three teams. The pillar of this team consists of resistance to fail, aiming for win, accepting the loss, and coming back stronger. When I said venomous team, most of you would have already got me right. Without further delay, let's appreciate and congratulate Team Scorpions for winning the title for this academic year. With 13 first positions and 11 second positions, Scorpions team made winning as their habit. They got better and better over the months. They were the team to beat. Once again, on behalf of MCET, CEP and EMT, I congratulate entire team of Scorpions, especially its mentor Mr. Prabhu, Captain Mr. Vimalan and Vice Captain Mr. Raja. Congratulations. Now, let's look at winner and runner podium, where we already know the Scorpions occupied first position. Now let's announce first runner-up for this academic year. That's Team Kayans. The team was led by Mr. Abdul Basit as mentor and Ms. Netra and Mr. Nitin as captain and vice captain respectively. They have conquered 13 wins and 7 runner-ups. And last but not least, second runner-up are Team Sky Crew. With 9 wins and 14 runner-ups, Team Sky Crew settle in third position with very thin margin. I appreciate the efforts of mentor Mr. Suresh Kumar and Captain Mr. Branham and Vice Captain Mr. Aniket Sahu. Congratulations. And now we will move on to Best Mentor category. He was the backbone of his team. He was the guide of his team. He was an inspiration to his team, what not. At the end of December, his team was almost out of competition, and that's when this man came into action. He backed his team exceptionally and motivated them to stay hungry. Finally brought his team to the second position by giving neck-to-neck fight to the winning team Scorpions. Yes, it's none other than Mr. Abdul Basit, the mentor of Team Kayans, who worked with talented captains like Ms. Netra and Mr. Nitin to register themselves in second position. With 13 wins and 7 runner-ups, out of which 4 wins and 2 runner-ups were backed by the man himself. On behalf of MCET CEP and EMT, I would like to congratulate Mr. Abdul for his achievement. Moving to best captain category, excellence is gradual result of always striving to do better. When a team have captain who takes one step at a time, consistently work on improvements, knows how to make comebacks, and extends his hands to help team members, then there are no such targets which can't be achieved by his team. His team registered 13 wins and 11 runner-ups out of all the activities conducted by EMT. The man behind the success is none other than Mr. Vimalan, the captain of winning team Scorpions. On behalf of MCET CEP and EMT, I would like to congratulate Mr. Vimalan for his achievement. Next, moving to vice captain category, best vice captain category. As his name suggests, he is a born leader, ready for challenges and gives his best when team is in need. Adding 4 wins and 3 runner-ups personally to his team's achievement, he has also part of team's strategies and planning. Yes, it's none other than the very talented, multitasking and energetic vice captain of Team Scorpions, Mr. Raja. On behalf of MCET CEP and EMT, I congratulate Raja for his team tremendous work. Let's move on to best individual awards. Depending upon the highest individual score and mentor captain's pick, we have awarded the best individual for their respective team. From Team Sky Crew, we have 2 valuable assets, Miss Pavana with 105 individual points and Miss Kayatre with 140 individual points. From Team Kayans, we have Captain Miss Netra herself, who is leading from the front with 155 points, and followed by Miss Sindhu, boosting team's score with valuable 115 individual points. When it's a winning team, definitely we will have winning performers. From Team Scorpions, we have Mr. Niranjan Murthy with 110 individual points and very talented Miss Saraswati with 120 individual points. I heartily congratulate all the best performers on behalf of MCET CEP and EMT. Congratulations to all. Finally, winning and losing isn't everything. Sometimes the journey is just as important as outcome. One who shares his victory with others and one who celebrates others' victory, both are winners. With this note, I once again congratulate all such winners who share and celebrate victory with others. That's it from our presentation, and thank you all for listening to me. Thank you.
Thank you, Prajwal. Congratulations to all the winners. As you can see on the screen, EMT has completed all the 5 stages as per the plan and has reached to the end. Hence, we have finished 100% of our plan. With this, we gladly conclude EMT activities for the year 2020-21. We were delighted to receive all of your support in each stage of our progress. This could not have happened without your involvement and dedication. Thanking you all from the bottom of our hearts. Now it's time to reset, guys. Let's get into the kickoff ceremony for the next year. For that, I again welcome Ms. Shweta to introduce new event management team for the upcoming academic year.
For the next academic year, this is the organization structure. For mechanical, it is led by Dr. I. Rajendran, head of the department, and for electrical, it is led by Dr. Sendil Kumar, head of the department. Followed by the section in charges, Dr. K. Hariharan and Mr. M. Saravanan Kumar of mechanical and electrical department respectively. Then followed by the CEP program coordinator, Mr. S. Jagan Mohan, followed by the EMT head, Mr. K. S. Kishore, mechanical department. I am extremely happy to pass on my post to him. There is no doubt that he is a well-deserving and promising candidate for this post. We have been witnessing his dedicated service to EMT throughout the last year. I wish him all the best for his future commitments. Vishnu Madhav of Mechanical Department as Technical and Non-Technical Coordinator, who already worked 2 years with EMT. He will produce more effective events along with Raja LV of Mechanical, who is the new EMT member, who will act as an event coordinator in the upcoming year. I wish both of them all the best. Thank you all.
Thank you, Shweta. So now we will have the formal opening of EMT activities for the academic year 2021-22 with a kickoff address. I am profusely overjoyed to invite our program manager, Mr. S.J. Vignesh, to give the kickoff address.
Good. Thanks, Vishnu. Good morning, guys. So happy to see this. I think during this pandemic situation, even then we are able to conduct such an excellent event. Still, I think many things to go, but really hats off to you guys. Even we never meet. We meet virtually always, we'll tell, but we never meet physically. But it's like seeing a physical event, which is always happening in some of the seminar halls of MCET. So that same feel which I get when you see this virtual event itself. Thanks to the whole team, I think, start from Pavitra and Shweta, Prajwal, I can name everyone who has contributed for this event to be successfully made today, and the journey which was there from last year. If last year was a very, what we can tell, a sad year that we start with this pandemic situation, and we are able to catch up many things with all the EMT team wholeheartedly. They worked for everything and then move forward. But during the situations, yes, we had to manage the things, and we never stopped anything. We were actually working with all the events. I think that the data talks about 100% completion. I think the great effort from the whole EMT organizing team, and supported by all the members of all the 3 teams and the winners, everybody, because the winning is a other part, but the participation, I think each and everyone has participated. I think I never seen any of the one other person, one student has not participated or not willing to contribute. Everybody has did their best, and that has been witnessed today. I think thanks to the whole team. And now the challenge is still continues with us because the pandemic is still severe with us, and we have to continue the next year event also with virtual mode, more or less. I don't think we will meet again physically. Physically, when we meet, it will be in TVS Motors or in APD when people deploy. So that time only physical meet will happen. But still, the new head, I think, Kishore, you have a challenging job to run with support of Vishnu and Raja. I think I wish you everyone a great year ahead of EMT and led by Kishore. And I should actually appreciate the last year team, start the leader Shweta, I think the backbone of this whole event, Pavitran, silently sitting backside and driving this event like day and night, starting from the Instagram page, starting from the birthday wishes. I think it's a whole team. I think I can witness this. And the top individual scores, I think the woman's strength, TVS looks for that, guys. I think you rocked it. I think only one person, I think, Niranjan got into the individual one. But superb girls, keep rocking. I think the awesome journey is waiting in TVS Motor. I think you can see the way how we drive from the company, new products and other things are piled up to waiting for you guys to touch and feel and have an awesome experience in TVS Motor and APD. So good luck to everyone. Please keep this energy, team. All the situation, any tough things are coming, still we hold that energy and move forward, because academically, if you see, yeah, we are has to do the semesters, complete the assignments and everything, but keep them aside and please spend more time on engagement activities. So that will give you a refreshing mind and take this journey to move forward. With that note, and thank everyone and congratulate everyone in this team who participated, who won today. So take care, guys. It's I'm so happy to see this event. Thanks for inviting me, Pavitran and whole team. Keep moving. We are waiting for you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Keep supporting us. Now it's time to invite our new EMT head. In the past 1 year, he has contributed in many ways to the betterment of EMT. He has conducted 5 non-technical events, 3 online games, 1 book review, 4 feedback sessions, prepared promo videos, worked for some of the posters, and has worked for our YouTube channel. I am sure that he will bring his knowledge and experience to expand our CEP students' engagement activities as EMT head through his innovative ideas. It's none other than Kishore KS from Second Year Mechanical Department. Please join me in congratulating Mr. Kishore. On behalf of everyone, I wish him best of luck in his new role. Now I welcome him for introducing the brand new mentors, captains, and team members for the next year. Welcome, Kishore.
Thank you, sir, and thanks everyone for the support. Thank you for bringing me and giving me this opportunity. I'm very glad for this. And this, I would like to thank EMT members who gave their full stretch support every time for every event, and I will do my best. Thank you. Now let's get into the team introduction. As mentioned, teams and settings may change, but our features will always remain same. Firstly, let me introduce the event management team. Myself, Vishnu Madhav and Raja LV will be working in the team. And Vishnu will be coordinating technical and non-technical events, and Raja will be performing the event organizer task. For each of us, certain tasks and responsibilities are assigned. In this regard, we use target setting sheets every time for individual members to measure the individual contribution from each individuals. These are some of the target setting sheets. Here, each member will be assigned with certain tasks and responsibilities. And now it's time to introduce our new mentors, captains, and team members. This year there will be 2 teams, so that they will have to find neck-to-neck competition in each event to show their dominance. So from team A, mentor Vimalan and captain A.R. Darshan Gowda. Team members are from 2019 batch LV Raja, VM Nishchit, and AB Nitin Kumar. From 2018 regular batch, KP Prajwal, JL Nandisha, R. Branham, Divya Jose, and G. Netra. And from 2018 lateral batch, N. Suresh Kumar and K. Shweta. From team B, mentor S. Kayatri and captain S. Manoj. Team members are from 2019 batch, Vishnu Madhav, S. Vishwanatha, and from 2018 regular batch, BV Niranjan Murthy, C. Rutik, Samprit, TK Pavana, DK Sindhu, and N. Saraswati. From 2018 lateral batch, A. Abdul Bashir and T. Prabhu. Wishing good luck to the both teams, and we need all your support as you have extended before. Thank you.
Thank you, Kishore. So let us now look on to how different the things would be when the new EMT takes charge. I invite event organizer Mr. Raja LV to present the ideas for future EMT plans. This will include EMT progress report for the year 2021-22, Gantt chart for the future EMT activities, summary of the plan, and disclosure of the first event for this academic year. Welcome, Raja.
Good afternoon. After successfully completing the activities for academic year 2021 through virtual mode, EMT is back with new plan for this academic year 21-22. Coming to EMT progress, we almost completed 25% with planning and team formation. Now, have a look at future EMT plan for this year. Firstly, event management team and CEP team. Here, blue color indicates plan and green indicates the action which we have completed. EMT formation, role clarification, events planning, team split up have been completed, and kickoff ceremony which is going on. Now coming to events, there will be a total of 7 online events which may be technical, non-technical, corporate, and also 7 offline events or knowledge sharing sessions. There will be 5 book reviews and 2 TV events for this academic year till December. Sports and online games are still on hold. And other activities like feedback session, sending festival wish cards, birthday greeting cards, BBM Best Performer of the Month certificates, EMT consultancy, New Year resolution, uploading a video to YouTube channel, and sharing the attendance and individual scorecard. Now I will share a quick summary of the plan. In total, there will be 3 activities and 1 feedback session for every month. 3 activities, namely 1 online event, technical, non-technical and corporate, 1 offline event or knowledge sharing section, and 1 book review or team event. Feedback session is planned to conduct at end of each month to know about the events conducted in that month in order to improve for the upcoming events. The first event for this year, event 1, Logo Jilla. Let me share short guidelines about the event. Each team should select a team name and logo, and the name should be 1 or 2 words. Need to prepare a presentation with name and logo, and it is allowed to make maximum of 4 slides. 1 participant from each team need to present story behind name and logo using PPT for about 5 minutes. And this event will be going to held on 22nd May. Thank you.
Thank you, Raja. All the best for your future endeavors. Now it is time to wind up the ceremony. The best and the beautiful thing in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. I welcome Technical and Non-Technical Coordinator, Mr. Vishnu Madhav, to propose vote of thanks.
Excuse me, Divya Jose. Sorry for the
Yes, sir.
interruption. We have section in charges of mechanical and electrical. We wish to hear their feedback, and we wish to hear few words from them. Let them give some space to. Okay, please wait for a while.
Yes, sir.
It's not in the sir, Hariharan sir, and sir, over to you,
thank
sir.
you, thank you, Jagan. Thank you, Jagan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. And first of all, congratulations. Vitran took the whole EMT to the next level, right? So I was there with the CEP for the past 3 years, and I am keenly noting up what the EMTs are doing, right? But to the wholeheartedly saying this is the new paradigm, right? So a kind of YouTube channel creation, because marketing nowadays is very important, right? So you have to reach the people at their end, right? So that in that term, the people, those who have worked for that, is very awesome and very nice. But I don't know how the new team is going to fit, right? So all the best for the new team, and I have to see the same kind and also more than that of the old team. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Hari. Thank you, Divya. Thank you, Hari sir. Over to Saravana Kumar sir for please give few words.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good afternoon to all. Yeah, I'm seeing the hard work behind this EMT office bearers and the students who are in the last academic year. And I wish all the best for the next academic year, that is 21-22 EMT office bearers. Thank you for the time.
Sure, welcome, sir. Over to Divya Jose. Thank you, Saravana sir. Over to Divya.
Thank you, sir. Now I welcome Vishnu Madhav to propose vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, all. Respected and our most invited guests, all the CEP students, it's my privilege for being asked to propose a vote of thanks for this auspicious ceremony. It's our fraternity and adhesiveness as a team and as a family that has brought us here together. I would like to express our sincere thanks to Program Manager Mr. S.J. Vignesh sir for his presence on this day and always extending his support for the EMT activities and paving the way to its success. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vishnu.
I also wish to express my gratitude to Program Coordinator Mr. S. Jahan Mohan sir for encouraging us and his involvement in all the EMT activities and all his support for today's ceremony. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vishnu Madhav. Thank you very much.
I would also like to thank section in charges Dr. K. Hariharan sir and Mr. M. Saravana Kumar sir for their support and presence on this auspicious day. Thank you all once again.
Thank you. Thank you.
I would also
Thank
like
you
to
for-
place our hearty thanks to all the CEP students for their enormous cooperation for the successful completion of the EMT activities for 2020-21 and expect all their support in the upcoming academic year too. Thank you all. A special thanks to 2016-17 batch CEP students and the TC students who are present here today. Thank you all for your support.